welcome back to another episode by Trinity Farms. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my first vlog. Is cows licking the camera down to a cute little baby calf, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. The camera. Hey girl! She's licked the camera. Hey, again? One more time? Okay.
There's some spots that we need to watch out for if someone has a
Quick tip for when you're on the farm. Have you ever had trouble when you're digging fence posts? Well, here's something that may help you. So what you want to do, you want to tie a string up to your corner post. You can run it down to an existing fence or a marker, and then you just put in your fence post, and then you got a nice straight fence post line. And then you can do it going all the way down there too. You can do it for a long distance, just gotta do a nice square knot, tie the ropes together, and you're good to go.
I know you're sad. I know any treats today.
There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. The important announcement is I've just made a merch store and they're still checking it, they're still reviewing it, so probably by the time this video is out, it'll be open. So if you guys would like to go check that out, feel free to. And it's on my store page, so back to the video. Here's a sneak peek to my next video. We got a crossbow, so yeah, just a little sneak peek. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.